Additive manufacturing is a technology that offers tremendous opportunity of innovation in different fields.
Additive manufacturing offers potential of disrupting many things, including technologies.
You can apply it to almost any different industry, aerospace, biomedical, automotive starting to get back into it.
The additive manufacturing technologies provide solutions within the global marketplace that currently do not exist.
The Additive Manufacturing Institute of Science and Technology, or AMIS for short, is an overarching organization in University of Louisville which aims to support and promote additive manufacturing activity across the campus from the Speed School to the Health Science Center.
AMIST has a strong research mission that focuses on various aspects of additive manufacturing and design research. The work is spread across engineering and also outside of Speed School in chemistry, physics, dentistry, radiology, surgery.
Exciting projects that students get to work on include multi-scale process physics modeling, lightweight high-strength lattice structure produced by additive manufacturing, as well as a surgical tool that will be tested out in the International Space Station.
This breadth of activity is focused on PhDs, master's programs, and also creating a pathway for those programs by engaging undergraduate researchers.
I've actually worked here at AMIS core facility in the past as a cooperative intern. As a co-op, I learned all of the basic knowledge to operate all the machines, which I can now use in my research as a graduate research assistant. The AMIS core facility is previously a rapid prototyping center. It's where we conduct most of the research. It's kind of like the central hub for additive here at U of L. At the AMIS Training Center, I work alongside the main instructor in teaching week-long production classes.
We train engineers, scientists, and technicians from industry in production technologies for advanced additive manufacturing. We have strategic partnerships with multinational and global corporations that are adopting additive technology. They always are coming to training to solve a problem. We can bring those problems directly to the researchers and find a solution that meets their needs. We have the ability to be very in tune with what industry is looking for from a practicing engineer. That information gets back channeled into our instructional programs to make better engineers.
I want to make additive manufacturing my career. Most other candidates won't have the hands-on training that I've had here at U of L.
We, through our education, research, and outreach programs, create new opportunities in West Louisville.
We need people that can design, and we need people that understand how to leverage additive manufacturing.
At AMIST, together, we work with industry partners to tackle the grand challenges in 3D printing, and we welcome students, collaborators, and companies to join us in this unprecedented undertaking.